Besides Poco, CV and Redmi, the Xiaomi company also has another sub-brand called Black Shark, which sells powerful smartphones with bold designs, aimed at the avid gaming smartphone market. After launching the Black Shark 5 series back in China 2 months ago, the brand is finally bringing the Black Shark 5 and 5 Pro to its first global market, Malaysia. The new devices will be launched officially on June 8 in the country at 7 p.m. Malaysia time. Black Shark is expected to announce the pricing and pre-order promotions for the Black Shark 5 series on the day. The launch event will be officially live streamed via Black Shark Malaysia official social media channels, which are on Facebook and TikTok. As for the specs of the Black Shark 5 series, we expect the global variants of the Black Shark 5 and 5 Pro to be the same as the variants that were announced back in March 30 in China. In China, the Black Shark 5 and 5 Pro both come with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus or 2400 by 1080 pixels AMOLED display with variable refresh rates of up to 144 Hz. The display is a Samsung E4 AMOLED panel with 1300 nits of max brightness, DC dimming, HDR10 Plus support, and 100% coverage of the P3 color gamut. The devices also have a 720Hz touch sampling rate and a dual-zone pressure-sensitive screen that can improve the gaming experience on your smartphone. Performance-wise, the Black Shark 5 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512 GB UFS 3.1 Plus SSD storage. This UFS and SSD combination of storage is what Xiaomi calls Disk Array 2.0 technology, and thanks to it, the read and write speeds for the 5 Pro have increased by 55% and 69% respectively. Meanwhile, the standard Black Shark 5 has the Snapdragon 870 SoC paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Both gaming devices pack a 4650 mAh battery with support for 120-watt fast charging technology, and the company claims that the phones can be fully charged in just 15 minutes. A charger comes included in the box, and the device arrives out of the box with Black Shark's Joy UI 13 based on Android 12. Are you interested in the new gaming phones from Black Shark? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.